Good morning, everyone. I'll just pause. It is the 17th of December, day 17 of Vlogmas. I'm still going with this. I'm honestly so surprised. I still can't get over it. Like yesterday it was kind of lame, but I enjoyed yesterday. Today's meant to be really super fun. I think Mum wanted me to drive her out to Sylvia Park, but I need to get petrol first because my petrol light is about to come on in my car, and then we need to do the grocery shopping. But tonight we have youth group, and it's the last one for the year, which is really super sad because it's a week until Christmas Eve. Next Saturday is Christmas. Next Friday it is Christmas Eve. 1 week away. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. But yeah, tonight's our last night for youth, and we're having a bonfire, so that should be super duper fun, and I will bring my camera for that because it'll be interesting. But yeah, that's what's happening this morning. So we're back from Sylvia Park, and I got myself a Christmas present, and yeah, they had this really cool like Santa thing set up, and yeah, now I'm gonna do a run. Oh, and we did the groceries. That was the other thing we did. But yeah, now I'm gonna do a run. So,
oh my gosh, this feels
we just got home. We have dinner, Netflix.
I remember
Zach's playing
that.
with his new Christmas present. I can't remember if I said I got myself a Christmas present today. And yeah, now we're gonna have dinner.
This feels way better.
So me and Zach are about to head off to youth, and I am going to bring my vlogging camera tonight because it is our last night and we are having a bonfire. I think I've already said that. But yeah, tonight we're having a bonfire, and hopefully more people come than what have been at them recently. We just sort of moved to a new, like, we used to be at the alert level system, now we're in the traffic light system, so slightly different regulations and stuff. But there haven't been very many people, but we've been able to meet in person, so it's been really good, and we've been able to meet at the church and stuff. But yeah, not as many people as would normally turn up have been turning up, so it'll be hopefully slightly more people than what have been turning up. So yeah, I guess we'll see, but I've got my raincoat and some longer pants because we're going to be sitting outside with a bonfire, and there are mozzies everywhere at the moment, so fingers crossed I don't get bitten. I might bring some insect repellent too, but yeah. So, whoa, why is it doing that? Gosh, it gave me such a fright. We're at youth now, and Daisy's giving me a massage because Daisy is allergic. And it feels so good. Whew. It's a bit cold out here, but we're just heading down. We just played a game of Do You Love Your Neighbour, which is so much fun. It's always so funny. But now we're heading down to the, oh my gosh, it's so tiny! The tiny bonfire. Oh, it's so smoky, but yeah, it's really fun. The church is up there.
Oh, who's playing? Yep. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Did you say Chubby Bunny?
Yeah, you got to say Chubby Bunny. So I'll give you all 3 to begin with.
Wait, do we say after we put the first one up?
Go, get in there. Matt's already lost.
Yeah, start. Chubby Bunny.
They can't even say it with one.
Chubby Bunny. Yeah.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Y'all got 3?
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Okay. Chubby Bunny. Smile. This is good quality.
I know.
Chubby Bunny. Is it Chubby Chubby bunny competition going on here. They're at 5.
Chubby bunny.
I'm gonna go run for it.
Who do you bet wins? Who do you bet wins?
Not Matt, because he keeps chopping them.
Yeah.
I feel like Alex might. No, he's chewing.
Talia.
Talia's
the obvious one here.
Are you tapping?
I love how it's only focusing on Talia's face. Everyone else is no.
It's not even moving. Your hand's so steady.
Chubby bunny.
Yeah.
Chubby bunny.
Turn the ball on.
Looks so much brighter.
I know, this is like bitter. I was gonna say bitter eyes.
Better eyes than
Alex has died.
Chubby bunny.
What would Dr. Moon think about this? Okay.
37.
23 is the number to beat.
What?
Who has 23?
I thought you said 27.
He said 23.
Wait, are they at 23? What?
No, 23 is the number to beat.
Yeah, I thought you said 27. Ah, the smoke.
Stopping out.
Yeah, I think
Ah, oh no. Catch the camera.
Still feel it?
Ah.
In your eyes? Okay.
Yeah.
might have a hole in it.
It comes out the bottom.
This is
Wait, Matt,
perfect.
stop chewing. Talia, come here. Could you kind of look like the Grinch.
Chubby
I'm sorry. Oh.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny.
I don't know what that means.
I think that means he's out.
Y'all tapped out?
Wait.
You win.
Really?
Talia's the champion!
Alright, we got that right.
How many did you get?
Duh.
Yeah, of course.
Obviously, like, Matt was dropping them, so like, hey, he's holding one behind his back.
You okay?
Nice one.
Look at me. Oh. I want to say that's what she said.
Dude.
Oh, did you get that?
What did he do? Running away. Okay. I don't know. Heck yeah. Where is the top? Oh, it's the fire going.
Good job, Talia. Claiming to be the Chubby Bunny champion.
I could have kept going.
I'm sure you could have.
You should have kept going, Talia. Yeah, I feel.
That really hurts.
This is how marshmallows should be. You set them on fire, let them melt.
It should be golden, Talia.
Or half baked.
Also known as golden.
We were just laying on the ground watching Netflix when Aaron almost ran us over with his truck.
Yeah. We insulted him now.
We
Quite a compliment actually.
So did I. I was like, how can you not take that as a compliment? But yeah, we're just heading back up now. What did you say?
Liam can't burp.
What? Who, Liam?
That's me, by the way. That's not me.
You're like a little baby.
You need to be burped.
You need to be burped.
You know that thing that you do when you like have a baby? Did Aaron just full on oh no. So I'm at home now, obviously, and I've had a shower and my hair still stinks of smoke, but I am going to end the vlog there because I need to edit this and it is almost 10:30. But if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button below and the notification button next to it so you're notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you tomorrow with another one. Bye!